Well, just so you can see, that was Reims Cessna F152 just seen come over this morning apparently. So as you can see, that was the Reims Cessna F152 we've just seen this morning apparently. So as you can see, the registration as we see today is G-BHZH we see today apparently. So as you can see, the registration is G-BHZH, that is, which I believe this is the plane that we usually see sometimes anyway, as this is one that's just, so yeah. But as you can see here that this is where I first missed it to start with. This is where I first missed it anyway. This is where I missed the start of this plane coming anyway, as literally he was about 26,000 feet to start with where we first saw it, and as you can see it's just done a loop anyway. But where we first saw it, he was around 26,000 feet it was to start with. Don't know where he is now anyway, but there he is, just about there he is anyway. So yeah, that's where it's just about anyway. As you can see, that just took off from its base at Newquay Airport anyway, just around 9:50 AM it did. Literally just took off from its base at Newquay Airport just around 9:50 AM this morning anyway, which that's where occasionally just took off from anyway this morning. So yeah, hopefully it should be heading back to its base at Newquay Airport very soon hopefully. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.